Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be talking about how I was able to make $1,000 off passive income and how I did it and how you guys can do it too if you want to. But this is basically my story. But before we get into it, subscribe if you're new and turn on notifications and leave a like. Let's try to go for 10 likes. And yeah, guys, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so before I get into it, I just want to show you guys some proof. Alright guys, so before I tell you guys how, I just want to show you guys proof. So here you go, $7, $13, pounds actually. This is all pounds. Then each is worth of £7, 57. We have some more over here. Second page, and then there's also another. Alright, so here's some more proof on the other account. This is US. So this is all USD. Okay. Alright, so the way I was able to do it is using affiliate marketing, but in a different way. It's not the affiliate marketing that you guys probably think of, because in regular affiliate marketing you build a website or you promote it on Facebook with Facebook ads and everything like that. I didn't build any website or do anything, and as you guys can tell, this is GT Mega Racing, so this is just one company and they make racing chairs. Alright, so the way it worked was, if I sell these chairs to people and they buy it using my link or using my code, I would get 5% of the cut, and if someone used my code or link, they would get 5% off from this. So $259, they would probably get 5% off, which is like 240, 235 I believe, or 240. But anyways, so that's how I made my income. And if you guys are wondering how I was able to get people to buy this chair, is basically I built a brand, and it's an esports and entertainment organization. It's called Evac Gaming if you guys want to check it out. The plug, you know. But basically what I do is, we obviously have players competing under us, and we have like Twitch streamers playing under us, content creators, all that. So it's a brand, it's a team. It's just like, let's say Toronto Raptors or so any other team, they all have sponsors, and GT Mega Racing is one of our sponsors. So we obviously promote them. We have other sponsors like this energy company, and again we're doing the same for them. But yeah, what we do is promote them and using different methods. This is Photoshop, and take pictures and everything like that, and then tell people to go to their website and buy chairs. I have some more here. They have some bags, more, and here, more here. So it basically goes on, but we advertise on our Twitter page. And as you guys can see, we don't have as many followers as you would expect, considering we get like 50-60 people using our code, and we have like 5,000 followers. And I know I keep saying we, but it's basically me owning the team and everything. So I basically promoted on this page and got people to buy these shares. And of course, when you have a brand, people trust you. So let's say Toronto Raptors promote some Nike shoes or whatever, you're probably going to buy them because you like the brand and you want to associate with them. So that's basically what I did. So yeah, that's basically what I did, and this is how I was able to make $1,000. Before, I was barely making any money doing this, but then it really started taking off. And honestly, I don't know what happened during that time. Like from July to October, I didn't make any sales, and then all of a sudden I started making like 7-8 sales a month, which accumulated to $200 a month, $100, $150, $210, whatever. And I couldn't tell you what happened because I didn't really change up my strategy. I kept the same amount of ads. But yeah, maybe it's because our brand started growing, and that's how we started getting more people to use the code. But yeah, so that's basically what I did. I know it's not something that can be easily replicated, because usually I teach about Shopify and you can apply it to your own life, or graphic designing, whatever it is. You can do it yourself, and you could do this too, but again, it requires a lot of work to get a brand up and get people to trust you. So I know it's not something usual, but I just wanted to share my story and show you guys the other possibilities. And this is something I haven't seen a lot of people talking about, like getting a brand up and then promoting stuff. So I wanted to share my story with you guys. And yeah guys, fun fact, I also got a free chair and like free backpacks and everything. Since our sales were so high, they gave me like a $250 chair for free, and like bags which are like worth $50 each. I got like 4 of them. So again, it's really possible. I never thought I would get a free chair I always really wanted one, and I almost bought one, but then later on, of course, I got it for free. So yeah, guys, that's basically my story. Let me know if you guys would be interested in knowing how I built this brand and everything related to this. I'm probably gonna make another video on how I monetize my passion, and as you guys can tell, gaming is my passion, and that's how I was able to monetize it. So I'm gonna go in depth in another video if you guys want to see it. Let me know if you guys want to, leave a comment down below. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Subscribe if you're new and turn on notifications, and leave a like. Let's try to go for 10 likes. Yeah, guys, I'm out. Peace.